start. Once there was a fisherman had lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch the fish. One day, a strange thing happened. He caught a big golden fish in his net. When he took the fish out of the water, the fish began to speak. "Oh fisherman, please let me go." He was very surprised. He was a kind man. He let the fish go. He went home empty-handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very kind. "Foolish man, why did you let the fish go? Go back to the sea and called the fish. It must be a magic fish. Ask the fish to grant you a wish." So he went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." The fish popped up its head out of the blue sea and said, "What is your wish?" "I want a big house with a garden for my wife, Pyara. Go back home. Your wish is granted." He went back home. In place of his little hut, he saw a big house with a garden. "What a beautiful bungalow," he said. Some days passed. His wife said to him, "This house is not enough. I want to live in a castle. I want to be a queen." So he went back to the sea and called the fish. Stop.